Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am gonna fail at attempting to melt some lace and do some baby hairs, but I actually had a few wins while I did this video, so I'm proud of myself and I am making progress. So I got this super cool brush in the box that Divaswigs sent me. This video is sponsored by them. And they also sent a wig cap. I don't use those mesh wig caps at all, but this is the wig. Chocolate mocha, or is it mocha chocolate? Either way, it's a chocolatey ombre and it looks good on dark skin. And it's 22 inches long with 150% density. I'll have all the other specs in the description box. And of course, like most wigs, it does have 4 combs, 3 in the front, 1 in the back. And it does have parting, which accommodates the lazy wig wearer like me. After flipping the wig over, I'm going to use the combs on the temple areas to make it easier for me to attach my elastic band to secure the wig to my head. And I always put the band here now because putting it here creates an environment where the force of the elastic band will pull the wig down, and all I'll have to do is take care of the flaps on my sideburns. Whereas if I put the elastic band on my sideburn area, the wig kind of buckles and it's harder for me to make it look smooth and kind of seamless. So that's why I do this. It just makes it easier for the wig to go where it needs to go. And after doing all of this, I'm gonna flip the wig back over so that I can attempt some baby hairs and pluck it and prepare it so I can wear it. And always use your pins, you guys. Always pin, but when you pin your wig down, try to stay on the lace or try to stay as close to the edge as possible. That way you're not poking too many holes into your wig. I am adding some Lotta Body mousse to my part area so that it can lie down beautifully and be prepped for plucking. The front is already plucked, it's pretty obvious, but just toward the back of the part, I need a little bit more plucking so it's an obvious part. This is very important and it's something I hate doing, but it must be done. Plucking does make a difference. Just a little bit of plucking goes a long way. And I'm going back. The part that I had was like maybe 3.5 inches, and I am putting my one and only curling iron there to set it in place because it's still wet, so it's gonna just help it flatten just a little bit more. And it's pretty obvious that I do have a part now, a full part. So moving right along, we're gonna attempt some baby hairs, and the first thing I'm doing is just combing my hair back so you guys can see how this ombre is. It's not your standard dark to light. It's like dark in some places, light in some places up top, and it looks really, really pretty. I have a brown hairline, so this is a bit challenging for me because I'm not used to a brown hairline. I'm used to a black hairline regardless with my ombre hair. I'm straightening it again just a little bit on the hairline to give it direction and make it go back. And I'm also pulling out the hair that I want for baby hairs. I do realize now that I'm doing my voiceover that I probably should have pulled out a little bit more hair when I did this, but I went back and actually cut the lace closure after I started pulling out baby hairs because I realized at some point this closure is gonna have to go. So back to the baby hairs. I'm using my hair shapers to cut them, and I'm also using Eco Styler gel to kind of try to create baby hairs. I don't know if Eco Styler gel is the best gel. I've seen some people use it on their natural hair. I don't know if I've seen anyone use it on a wig, but it also is my technique, you guys. I am struggling. So we're gonna do the other side and see if there's success. I already know this, but you guys are about to find out if I was successful. So I'm cutting my lace again and making sure I get very close to the hairline so I don't have like jagged lace. And here are my baby hairs. They're super cute long, actually. I should have just left them long and done something else with them, but they're maybe 2 inches-ish long after cutting. And here I did an okay job. So I think I'll just take like a whole day off just to slay baby hairs and practice, because here I just failed all over again. But I used a brush replacement head because I didn't have any toothbrushes or edge slaying tools. Don't judge me, you guys. I do not come from an edges slaying tribe. So what I'm doing now is putting my wig on with the wig band first and then throwing the wig back. And what I usually do is get the comb in the back and tuck it under the elastic band. That helps me secure the wig even further if it does have a comb in the back. And it looks good just like this. I don't have to do anything to it. You don't have to do anything to it if you know, have a unit like this. I literally have not even put powder on it, the part area. You could literally go out like that, but I'm trying to, you know, melt the lace just in case I tie it up or just in case people look too hard. So I'm using my Cream of Nature control glue, which is a gel, it's not a glue. A few people got confused last time I did this and they thought it was a glue. It is not, it's a gel. It comes off easily with water, and I'm holding it down so that I can blow dry it, and I go 30 seconds hot, 30 seconds cool. It doesn't really matter, just alternating between heat and cold or warm and cold. And here I am trying baby hairs again. And they actually don't look too bad. Okay, here again. I'm trying, I really am. And you can see that the hairline actually looks pretty good, you guys. I am so proud of myself because first of all, I'm lazy. Secondly, I just don't do a good job with stuff like this. Now I'm just gonna define my part and put powder in it so that you can't see too much grid structure. And I'm also curling my hair using the one and only curling iron, which is literally my one and only curling iron. And all I do is 15 seconds curling, shake it around, let the heat get lost, and then release the curl. That's all I do when I curl my hair. I want soft curls, not tight curls. Usually when I have straight, body wave, loose wave hair, I want something soft. If I have kinky, curly hair, then I want tight curls. If I have deep wave, then I'm more likely to use a curling wand. So this is what we're looking like. I like this chocolate on chocolate on chocolate hair, skin, dress. And I'm gonna take this out of the curling iron, and this is the last curl. So here's a very nice soft look, but I did decide that I wanted to layer my hair, and I'm just gonna show you guys my sides. And you know, my hairline looks pretty good. The baby hairs look terrible, but it's a work in progress. And I'm trying to cut soft layers in here so that the next time I curl my hair, it kind of bumps a little bit and you can see the curl structure, like each layer you can see some curls. That's why I cut some soft layers, and it just looks so much prettier, so much more voluminous, by the way, and I'm super happy doing my happy dance. But of course, we all know I do get hot, so after all that heat that I used, I had to go in with some powder so I could take pictures for Instagram, and that's much better. This hair is very lightweight, which I was impressed by. I still don't know what densities mean as far as the percentages go, but this hair does not weigh you down at all. So if you're one of those like me who gets hot under a wig, it's a nice way to go. 150% density, now that I pay attention, is a good density for people like us. So thank you so much for watching. As always, you guys, I will have all information in the description box, and don't leave just yet. Definitely check out the other videos that I'm gonna post up here while I play with my hair, because obviously I'm not done playing. Okay, bye.